Hey guys, it's Lisi and I'm back with a new video. Today we're stretching to 6.5 millimeter. So 6.5 millimeter is a in-between size for the in-between size. 2 gauge is 6 millimeter and 1 gauge is 7 millimeter, I believe. So 6.5 is kind of right in between there. How did I get an in-between size for an in-between size, you ask? I got it from Stretch It Body Jewelry. Yeah, that's what it's called. They have dead stretching kits, so it's I think it goes by 0.5 millimeters each, so that's how you get the in-between sizes for the in-between sizes. But without further ado, let's start the video so we can get to 6.5 millimeter. So these are my 2 gauge tunnels. I cleaned my ears right before this, so we're good. I cleaned the jewelry and everything, so we're good. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take vitamin E oil, put it on my fingy, massage the earlobe. I'm going to put vitamin E oil on the tunnel. I mean, not tunnel, the plug. This is what the plug looks like. Do this ear first. That went in easy. Fun. But yeah, every time I put these in, it feels heavy. I mean, of course it's gonna feel heavy. So that's how I know it is helping. Should go right in. Now I'm gonna get the O-rings and put it on the back. And we will be at 6.5 millimeter. Okay, so this is me at 6.5 millimeters. So I hope you enjoyed this video, stretching to 6.5 gauge. I will see you next time with a new video. You can go watch all my ear stretching videos. I do have a playlist. I'll link that in the description and somewhere in the cards. Thank you for 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers. Sorry I don't post that often. I post just the ear stretching videos and then here and there my normal videos. But anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe down below because the summer is coming and I will finally have time to make videos. So, bye.